Morning guys, we're wake up now. You see my king and Daisy. Daisy looks so sad. Daisy,
I see something.
why? What's wrong? Huh? Wow, you're so lucky because you sleep behind daddy, huh? Mm-hmm. Daisy, why? What's wrong? It's so funny. Daisy! Oh, no. She doesn't have camera, babe.
She don't like the camera, baby.
She don't like the camera.
Every time, put the camera in her face, she goes, no.
Yeah, she don't like it. Guys, this is our lunch for today. Spring roll. Tapos burger. Burger ka na. Pero hindi siya bun kasi wala akong bun. Pero ginawa ko siyang burger, diba? Mga jalapeno siya. Lettuce, burger, cheese, tsaka mayonnaise. Tapos, vegetable sides with range dressing. O, diba? Yan muna tayo. Ang ating lunch, diba? Tapos mamayang gabi, mag-noodles ako mamayang gabi. Gusto ko mag-noodles. Okay guys, let's eat. Naman ang breakfast ngayon, tsaka coffee. That's it guys. Okay guys, tapos na tayo mag-bihis guys. Naka-simple lang tayo. Diba? Skinny jeans, tapos magra-rubber tayo ngayon guys. So let's go. Yung isa pa lang, kapapatay ko lang ng Alexa. Tulog siya guys. Kasi may sakit siya. Masakit yung kaya kailangan niya magpahinga. Siguro sa pagod din niya nag-flight, diba? So, let's go, guys! Okay, guys! Nandito na tayo. Walang ganong sasakyan, kaya nakatawid tayo na agad-agad. Diba, guys? Ang ganda! Tapos yan, patapos na rin. Diba? Ganda, guys. So, pag natapos lahat to, wow. It's a nice place. Malikot yung bag ko kasi nakahawak yung bag ko isa. So nice. May malaking swimming pool dyan banda. So let's go inside. Guys, we are home now. O, diba nakauwi tayo ng maaga kasi hindi naman traffic. Ano ba? Wala namang ganun traffic. Tapos wala naman ding gaano sasakyan kaya nakatawid tayo ng agad-agad. O, diba? Nag-drop in ako kaagad doon, pero tulog siya, guys. Tulog na tulog. 'Di ba? May jet lag pa siya. Oh, 'di ba? Nagsipatabaan kaming dalawa, 'di ba? Payat pa namin dalawa diyan. Tapos ngayon, ang taba na naming dalawa. 'Di ba? Sarap kumain eh.